how to fix your mic and voice chat not working in COD Warzone 4. So first of all, you can go ahead and make sure your mic is already set into default in your computer settings or in your PC settings. So go ahead and make sure of that first. And of course, you can go ahead and test if your microphone works, since that is the most important part. So go ahead to your settings and go to the audio, and then go to voice chat, then go to the test microphone, turn that on, and if your microphone works, it should pretty much loop back to you and you will be able to hear your voice. So another is to make sure voice chat, proximity chat, and body shield chat is all turned on, so you avoid any other problems. For your microphone level, you can go ahead and level that up or toggle that louder, since the higher the microphone level, the louder your voice will be. And make sure your open mic sensitivity is also toggled in a higher level, since the lower your mic sensitivity, the harder it is to pick up your voice, and the higher the sensitivity, the easier it is to pick up your voice from your mic. And finally, over here on the online section, make sure crossplay communication is also turned on. Well, those are a few things you can check out and basically make sure they're toggled on or off. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.